Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Nice to see you again. And today we'll have a short, quick lesson how to make words from Arabic alphabet letters. These are all Arabic ABC, and today we will do that. But I want to say I'm so sorry for a long time not keeping with you and follow up with everything, and for disconnecting for a long time, for many years maybe, as life issues and a lot of things, moving from place to place. So sorry about that. But I decided today to start again to do like at least one YouTube video every week to help with some points, some Arabic explanation, and to keep connected with you. Today we will look at the Arabic alphabet letters, the ABC Arabic. Then we do some words from form some words from Arabic ABC. Let's start. As you see, guys, these are all Arabic. I know it's a small things. I bring them out from at library yesterday. The Alif Ba Tats. We have that on my website from long time. I think like many years ago. So I did one video for each letter, explain how to write it, what are the forms of each letter. Today we'll pick up some of these letters to make words, and I have examples here. As you see here, the word car, C-A-R. So 3 letters make a word, and here Qaf, Mim, Ra, 3 letters to make a word. 3 or 4, it doesn't matter, but this is how we make words in Arabic or in English. Let's take different examples, okay? So I'll use this one. Let me see. Yeah, words. Sorry. We will do the one is the example here. We have Gamal. So Jim, Mim, and Lam. So Jamal means camel, name of animal. So the Jim, before I explained, like on my website, this one, myarabicwebsite.com, or on my video YouTubes, like most Arabic letters have 3 or 4 shapes. For example, Jim, this is how we write the original Jim. Like if you write B like boy as a capital uppercase letter, and it has this form in the beginning of each word, this form in the middle of the word, this form connected at the end of the word, and this form again like that, separated at the end of the word. So most Arabic has alphabet has 3 or 4 forms. In English, we have only like this: B uppercase or capital one, and we have B lowercase or small letter. 2 forms in English. In Arabic, we have many forms. And as you see that on my website, myarabicwebsite.com, or on my YouTube videos, Khalid Arabic channel. I just did the change even the name, but you can check it out, and it has a link to my YouTube channel. Anyhow, we go back to form a word from ABC, from Arabic ABC. Okay, let's do it. So we go back again here, the word Jamal, Jim, Mim, Lim, Jim like G, sound like G, because in Arabic we have only one Jim. In English, we have both J and J sound, so it represents in Arabic like this. And Mim like M in English, of course. Lam is like L sound. So G, let me do this a capital too. It doesn't matter, it's just like a sound. So we have Jim like J sound, M like M sound, L like L. Okay, so Gamal, Gim, Mim, Lam. Gamal means camel. Okay, in English, and how we do it as one word, as this one. So 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will write it down. So the first one, Jim, here, I will do it in this way. The Jim in the beginning of the word, Ja, G sound, Jamal. So this is the Jim, the Jim. Then we do next meme. Meme in the middle of the word, it will be like this. Okay, meme. Then I'll use different color, maybe this one. Lam at the end of the word, it will be connected like this. So Jamal. I know this is a printing machine do the Jim up, but it doesn't matter. Most of printing machines do, even use paper, or some newspapers do the Jim like that way, but it comes in the middle this way. So Jim, Meme, Lam, L. 3 letters make a word. Jamal, Kamil. So Jim, if you separate it here, is a Jim, and this is Meme, and this is Lam, but this is Meme in the middle, one of the forms. So memes, meme form, like the M sound. We do this here. Meme has this form. This is in the beginning of the word. I don't know, the red one is not writing good. Okay, let me use a different color. I use the black one here. So this is meme in the beginning of the word. This is meme connected in the word like that. This is meme at the end, or it has sometimes a different shape like this. Meme, so M sound. Meme, as we said, like M sound. Meme, we call it meme. So Jamal. Okay, this is one word. I will give different example for different words. I try to make this video short for at least like 10-15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. All right, because long time I did not upload any video to my website, and even Google are mad at me when I tried to upload videos. They said no, long time you don't upload, you have to upload things. So I did this. Okay, let's start with or do a different word. Okay. This one looks like no clear. I use this star one, very clean one. Yeah, okay. So this is perfect. I like it. Okay, so I pick up some words here. I write them down. For example, I have different words. I pick up some. Let's do this one here. From the sounds in Arabic, or the letters alif, ba, ta, tha, I'll pick up that one, kaf. So this is kaf, then ta, then alif, to make a word, then ba. So I choose this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters. The kaf here, then the ta, then alif, then ba. To make a word. Okay. So if I read it together, it's gonna be kitab. Kitab means book. Like I will write it down like this one. Kaf, the first one is gonna be this way. Kaf. This is kaf, how it looks in the beginning of the word. Now the ta. Oh, I have a green one here too. Okay, I do the ta in the middle. So ta. Then what we do? This is the ta here. Okay, then we do the alif here. I'm gonna do it in this way. Alif. So this is alif. Like that. Doesn't matter if short or long, it's alif. So this is the alif connected. Then we do what? The last one, ba. The ba will be perfect like that, separate ba. Kitab. Kitab means, as we said, book. Okay, book. All right. So this is kaf. This is ta in the middle of the word. This is alif. This is ba. Kitab. Book. If you disconnected kaf, ta, alif, ba. But we cannot connect it from, like, I mean, we can connect it from here, but it's gonna be a different word. It's like katlab. It doesn't mean, but kitab, a sound, long vowel a, and ba. Kitab means book. If I write it together again, kitab this way. Kitab. Some books, you will find kaf this way too. The kaf, the beginning like this, then ta, alif, then ba. Let's move this one far. Okay, kitab, kaf, kaf. And yeah, you can go back again, as I told you, to see the shapes of the letters there. I need more time to explain it. Kitab, kaf, ta, alif, ba, kaf, ta, alif, ba, kitab. I don't know if we can take one more example quick. Then I will continue to form words with you guys in the future. Okay. Sorry about this next time. All right. So I'll pick up with this like book. Kitab. Oh, by the way, kitab means book in a book. For example, this is a book here. This is a kitab. This is a kitab book. You know that. So the word was here kitab, and this is a book, English book, and we have even this one. Book. Any book is a book, kitab. All right. So we go back to do another word quick. I'll pick up what was like this one easy. Let's do this. I find it on my keys here. So do meme. As you see here, meme is two here. Meme. So this is a meme or meme like that. Meme. Then fa. This one. Then ta. Then alif. Then ha. Okay, so we're gonna make a word from this one. If I do it quick, you will see the sounds. You know, this is M sound, this is F sound, this is T sound, this is like A sound, and this is like H sound. Ha, alif, A, T, Ta, Fa, F, M, Mim, Sam. Okay. So let's do, let's make the word, form a word from this. So meme is gonna be this way in the beginning of the word. Come on, red color. I'll use the green one. Okay, so meme this way in the beginning of the word. Then fa, this one in the middle like that. Okay. Then we have ta in the middle like this. This is ta. Then we have alif. This alif. Then we have the ha. I try to use different colors to the green. Miftah. Oh, how to say it? Mim, fa, ta, alif, ha, miftah. Miftah means key. Any key, like door key, car keys. This is the key. Any key. All these keys I know, but one is key. This is a key. This is a key. Okay. This is a key. So key means miftah. Key. All right. If you say keys, it's gonna be mafatih. All the keys as a plural noun is gonna be, instead of one single one, plural keys. We say mafatih. Mim, fa, ta, ya, ha. Mafatih. Mim, fa, alif, ta, ya, ha, because a plural noun. So here is a single one. So key means one key, one miftah. Mafatih means keys. Okay. I will stop here, and I will do another video with different words to continue. And thank you so much. Again, I apologize for not being connected with you for many years. And you see life change, even my face is changing a lot. Please visit my website, myarabicwebsite.com. And if you have anything on my YouTube channel, you can do a comment there. I try my best to answer you guys, to reply to any response to any question you got. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.